Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this wall decor. I really love it. I made this little trio mirror wall decor and I'm going to share that with you today. I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. But before I get started, I just like to share with you, I do have another YouTube channel called Tina's Daily Deals where I share with you tons of deals on Amazon with price drops or codes like this vinyl, $13.99, we're dropping it down to $6.99. That's a 10 by 6.5 feet, by the way. Burlap, and this is a table runner, but you can use it for crafting as well. $5.60, and it's a pretty good size. This one is the Epoxy Resin Pigment. It's 24 colors, and you'll get it for only $12.89, and that's a price drop. And I don't only cover crafting items. This is why I started a new channel, because there's even household items and, you know, dresses, fashion. I got you. This, we're dropping it down. It's a fabric dresser down to $27, and chargers. Never pay full price on chargers, you guys. And this tier tray, I love the way it turned out. This was today's video, down to $17.99. So I literally post everything you might need, and you could always request, you know, items, and I can check if there's a price drop or if there's any codes on it. So I take requests as well. So I just wanted to share with you this skill that I learned, and I'm just sharing it with everyone. So be sure to check out that channel. Now let's go ahead and get started. Here we're going to grab 3 of these wall decor or the mirrors from Dollar Tree, and I want mine white. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the inside, cover the mirror itself, and spray paint them white. Now I picked up these chargers from Dollar Tree. Remember, everything in this video is from Dollar Tree. And my mirrors are ready, and it's time to glue them. So I'm going to go in with E6000 and glue them in place. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified when I upload cute projects like this one. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but I applied E6000 only on the areas it touches the charger. So it was like the tip of the mirror, and I'm going to set that aside to dry because E6000 does take a while to completely dry and seal. Now here I'm taking a little hook, which I picked up from Amazon, but you can find hooks from like back of frames at Dollar Tree. Never throw those away if you're doing projects. But I'm going to go ahead and glue on the hooks using my E6000 once again, and once it's completely dry, I'm going to hang it up just using push pins, and here's how it looks. It's such an easy project. You guys have to give it a try, and let me know down in the comments what you think, because you know I love to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more decoration on this wall. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.